Hello everyone, my name is Prabin Hirachan and today I'm going to repair my PC, and it's not going to be a travel video. And this is my PC where I usually work, and it's been a while that my PC is not working well, and it's extremely slow than what it used to be before. So I thought why not making some video while I repair my PC. And before repairing my PC, let me tell you guys that I have checked all my PC. I've deleted all the temporary file and recent file, but still it's not working well. And then I checked the event viewer, and that's what I found. I have almost a disk error. There's lots of disk error message in the event viewer. So it's time to change the hard drive. It's been more than 5 years that I have been using the same hard drive, and so I thought it's the time to change the hard drive. So let's begin. Before repairing this PC, let me tell you guys that we need to change the hard drive. So you need to take the case up and unmount all the screw over here. So let's begin the video. You need to find the screwdriver, and there's 4 screws in the case, so you need to unmount the screw. Be sure unmount the right screw here. Actually an old PC, so there's lots of dust, and this is where we are going to unmount this power cable. So you need to take out this hard drive. Before that, you need to unscrew these 6 screw over here. Hard drive section. So this is what we are going to change, and it's a 5-year-old hard drive that I've been using for last 5 years. So this is the old hard drive. It's 500 GB that I've been using for 5 years. It have lots of disk errors, so we need to back up this hard drive. So I've already done with the backup. You guys need to back up your important file from the old hard drive. So what we are going to do is that we are going to install the new hard drive. It's 1 terabyte, and we gonna fit this hard drive in this case and then reinstall the new operating system in this hard drive. So let's do it. So we have done installing the new hard drive in my PC. So what we have to do in the final stage is that we need to install the new operating system in this hard drive. So it's my city in new operating system, so we're gonna install in this hard drive. Okay, that's done. We're gonna install the new OS. From here, just follow the on-screen instruction. Select language, time and keyboard and next. Install now. So at this moment you have to add the key if you have it, and if you don't have it, just skip this step. Select the operating system you want to install and next. This is the license terms, so if you want to read it, you can read all these terms, but most of people don't. So accept the license and click next. Now here select custom install Windows only advanced. Now if you are installing operating system on a brand new drive, this is how it would look like, a single unallocated space. So this is the place where you are going to install your operating system. Now this process can take a while. I'm going to fast forward the process here. So here in this section you need to enter the product key, and I'm not going to enter the product key for now. So now that's all for you guys. This is how we install the operating system in new hard drive. So thanks for watching.